Hey everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, Search Authority. Today we're looking at a site called Wipo, wipo.int, and a whole bunch of other stuff I'm not going to get into. Long story short, it's a intellectual property database. As you can see on the right over here, it says trademarks, designs, laws, treaties, statistics, everything you want to know. I just put in the word Java, programming language, Java, didn't want to be anything fancy. And as you can see, it brought up a whole bunch of stuff. Now, obviously, Java, let's add the word Linux so they know we're actually looking for more Java programming than anything. And here we go. Look at all this. If you open them up, you get to learn more about them. You get to learn the people who wrote it. Usually there's email addresses, phone number. There is an advanced search capability where you can specify any or all, what language, what domain, anything you want. It's really quite interesting what this site can do for you. And it's extremely good in that you can find almost anything. Even up here, you can understand and learn about patents, trademarks, gender equality, anything you want. Here, you got find and explore, patent analytics, whatever. Protect and manage. This is other stuff. Partner collaboration, when there are two people involved in something. And about Wipo itself. It's really cool. Did I mention it's free? Because it is. And you can do whatever you want. Me, I tend to handle the simple search stuff, but I have no problem doing the more advanced search. So if I want all these words, let's do Java, Linux, and let's add in SQL, just, I don't know, because I can. And let's search to see what we get. Look down here. Look over again. There's only, look at this. File format Microsoft Word. There's a Word thing going on. A failure involving Java. Let's open that bad boy up and see what it says. Oh, it wants me to download a Word deck. I'm not going to download it, but I could. But you get the general idea. What would be interesting to me, and I do this a lot, is what would happen if we did that. We did a wildcard at hotmail.com. So we're looking for email addresses, basically. Let's see what we get. Oh, wow, look at that. We got a bunch of email addresses. Isn't that interesting? Now, what would happen if we put in the word Java development? So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. Now, there's only 3 of them, but these are people talking about Java development, and their email addresses are sitting right there. There's one. You can view it right from here. PIBA99@hotmail.com. And mind you, I'm using Hotmail. I'm not even using Gmail. Imagine if I use Gmail instead. Gmail is usually bigger than Hotmail, has more people than Hotmail. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and change this to Gmail. Now, keep in mind, some of you are probably going, why is he acting like he's doing this for the first time? He should have practiced it before he did the video. No, I want you to see how I do it, see my thought process, how I do it, so this way you understand what I'm doing. And more importantly, who knows, maybe you have a better way to do it than I do, and you can explain it to me now that you understand how I'm doing it. Oh, look, now we got 10 results with Gmails. Now, that's interesting. That's very interesting. And keep in mind, I'm just using words. I mean, I could probably do a better job if I didn't use the word Java development. Maybe instead of Java development, I use the word Linux. This way we know for a fact they know I'm talking about developing, not coffee. Ah, no results. Okay, it doesn't like Linux. Let's see. Let's just do Java. Fine. A lot more results, 33. Don't know if it's Java that we're talking about, but at least you got the general idea. So let's go back to Unix instead of Linux. Nope, doesn't like Unix or Linux. So let's go back to, oh, you know what? Let's try developer instead of development. Developer. Sorry. Oh, look at that. We got 4. So these people, oh, development, but they're still email addresses. This one's in Indonesia. Probably not going to help us much. But that's the thing. Remember, you do have languages. Any of these words, file types. I mean, all sorts of stuff that you can use. What would happen if we put in the word Java and then we added in US? Well, curious. So now we're getting some US stuff. 9, that's not bad. So it's one of these things you're going to have to play with, but you can get so much out of it. And I guarantee you there's more than one email address associated with these papers. And again, I'm just kind of ideating as I go, if you understand what I mean. So long story short, this is Wipo. It pretty much has patents, trademarks, designs, everything you can imagine. My name is Dean DaCosta, Search Authority. May the source be with you.